Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are on another beautiful tutorial on how I was able to achieve this ghillie. If this video helps you in any way at all, please do subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. I love you all so much. Today I'm using an ASO'OKE to achieve this, just in case you want to do yours. You want to make sure that you use an ASO'OKE to achieve this. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the ghillie. Thereafter I made pleats on her head. I think I made about 4 pleats, but if your ASO'OKE is actually bigger than this one, you can make more or even less. It all depends on what you want. So you just have to make sure that the pleats are well laid so that everything comes out really beautiful and nice. So the rule for this particular tutorial today is 50-50. You have to make sure that the both hands of your ghillie are equal. That is just the rule for this today. So I'm going to place the ghillie from the back of her head to the front because it is the style that I want to achieve today. So I'm just going to place it from the back of her head to the front. Thereafter I'm going to arrange my pleats properly so that everything really looks nice and beautiful. And as you all know, the pleats are actually the beauty of the ghillie, so you want to make sure that everything is neatly done and well laid, and that is what I am doing at this point. So guys, I'm done making my pleats. I'm done adjusting everything. I'm just going to twist the both hands of the ghillie towards opposite direction, and I'm going to make sure that everything is firm on her head so that it doesn't unravel at any point at all. I'm just going to make them face opposite direction. Thereafter I'm still going to arrange my pleats so that everything looks really neat and beautiful. At this point I'm going to start making my rows. This is actually the beauty of the whole tutorial. This is the beauty of the ghillie, so you really want to take your time in doing this so that it comes out really nice and beautiful. So the first thing I did was to make some pleats. You can actually make some pleats. Thereafter you just have to make sure that you twist the hand of the ghillie, like you make it round the way you can see me do in this video. In that way it forms a rose. You just have to make sure that you leave a little part of it so that it looks like a leaf, something like a leaf just there in front. So after twisting everything, you want to make sure that you pin it so that everything stays nice on her head and so that it doesn't unravel. I'm going to be doing that again so that you all can see what I mean. I'm just going to do this for this hand of the ghillie, and I'm going to repeat the same thing for the other hand of the ghillie. This is not difficult at all. If you are able to follow the simple steps that I'm showing you all, you will definitely get it. And I love this ghillie so much because it doesn't take time. It doesn't even take up to 5 minutes for you to be able to achieve this, and it really comes out beautiful, especially when you attend occasion. People get to look at you because of how beautiful it is. So I would really recommend this particular ghillie just in case you want to go out for any occasion, weddings, anything at all. This is your go-to look. It looks so beautiful and it comes out really nice. If you want to be the eyes of the party, this should be what you should tie for any occasion at all. So I'm going to be repeating the same thing on this side of the ghillie. For this particular hand, I'm just going to twist everything round and form a rose the same way I did on the other hand. I also love this gele because it doesn't really require a lot of pins. You just make do with what you have. You do not necessarily need a lot of pins. Yes, you have to be pinning at some point so that it doesn't unravel, but it doesn't require a lot of pins at all. See how simple this tutorial looks. I do hope that you all have learned from this. If you have, please do subscribe, share. Don't forget to share. I really love it, guys, when you all share. So don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and also comment in the comment section. I'm going to be opening the back of the gele today because it's not really full. It's not really full at the back. I can't cover everything. I can't cover her head at the back, so I'm just going to bend the edges of the gele at the back so that it looks really neat and beautiful. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, like I said, please do subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section below. If you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you definitely get the notification first. You will definitely, guys, you will definitely be the first to know. I love you all so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.